Boom, baby, back on trail. It's been raining all morning. Looks like we avoided most of it, but there is rain coming in 20 minutes, so it's still gonna hit me a little bit. But now we're entering the Virginia Triple Crown, which is Tinker Cliffs, McAfee Knob, and Dragon's Tooth. I haven't looked at the mileages for all that, so I don't know when I'm gonna hit all that. I mean, soon. I might get to the Tinker Cliffs tonight. I don't really know. It just depends on how fast I go. I could just look at my map and figure all that out, but beautiful out. Nice. New shoes, dude. New shoes. Dude, I heard about this. In 1.7 miles, there's some power lines, apparently with some rocks underneath them, that have just been like fucking zapping folks. Because I don't know, I've never heard of this underneath any power lines. This stuff was not posted back in 2019, I don't think. But I guess they're juicing these power lines now, and so like if you stop underneath these power lines, you get risk of getting shocked. Like, it was on the guide and now it's like posted at the trailhead. What in the heck? That's crazy. I've gone under a bunch of power lines in my days. Never heard of like them charging up things underneath them so you could get shocked. Kind of want to sit on one of the rocks and see if I can get superpowers. That'd be pretty dope. There we go. Tinker Cliffs 9.6. Cool. Alright, here we go. We're about to go under the first pair of power lines with the posted warning to not stop underneath them. Come on, adjust. Apparently, if you stop underneath these, there's a good chance you get yoinked. Going underneath these, I don't know. God, it's making a crazy noise. I'm all sweaty now. I gotta be careful. I might get zapped. See, here's another sign. Static discharge risk. No stopping under power lines. This is called Hey Rock. Hey. This rock wall is so cool. Look at it, it just keeps on going. You don't realize how bad you needed new shoes until you finally got them. It's like I'm walking on a cloud right now. Didn't even know what I was dealing with beforehand. It's so nice. Look at these babies. What a view. About 3 miles from Tinker Cliffs. There's really cool views there. Oh, look how cool he is. What's up, dude? Oh, he's so cool looking. Wow. Alright, peace out, dude. Have a good one. Well, there we go. Damn, dude, like 30 seconds after I did that 360 camera of me climbing up the hill, I just scared my first black bear. Just a little guy. But he was all the way up, chilling underneath that wall, and then just took off running. Hopefully there's no other hikers up there that he's gonna go careen with now that I scared him. But that's the first black bear I've seen this trail. I've seen a bunch of prints. But God, the last time I saw a print was like Massachusetts. So yeah, in the bear territory. Still can't believe that I didn't see any bears when I reeked of McDoubles for 4 days. I probably still have a little bit of McDouble stench on me. These rocks are super cool. Almost at the Tinker Cliffs. Super cool. These cliffs are just so cool. Beautiful views. I pushed the bear in this direction, so I'm kind of just wondering if I'm going to catch him enjoying one of these views. I've been seeing buku hikers today. They're all over the place. Like 3 miles from McAfee's Knob right now. Didn't know if I was gonna hit or not today. This is gonna be cool. I'm excited.
What's your trail name?
Alright, heading down from McAfee's Knob now. Or McAfee or McAfee, I don't freaking know. I think anybody who's seen any of my vids know by now that I don't have the greatest grasp of names or the English language. So, yeah, I don't know what it's called. Ended up chilling out there for a while, talking to a bunch of people, so it was really fun. Such a cool view. Now just like a mile to the shelter where I'm gonna stay at. I'm gonna tent around the shelter. I'm not staying in the shelter. I don't want Noro, dude. There are other tents around. They definitely heard that one. I didn't mean for it to be that loud, but it didn't come easily, so I just kept applying more pressure, and then next thing you know, that one surprised me. I didn't even eat close to the food I was supposed to today. Look at all this food I got left. I didn't freaking eat anything today. I think my stomach is still a little behind from 2 days ago. It just felt a little off today. I felt good besides that, and I've been keeping up on water and electrolytes, but yeah, I think I didn't do my bodies any favors that day, so it's healing up right now. McAfee's Knob was exceptional, so cool. And I'm just at the shelter that's just down from it. I took it easy today. It's like 7:50 right now, but I spent over an hour up there chilling out and talking to people, so I could have been at camp way earlier. Yeah. I've still got to put some miles in if I want to walk into trail days. If not, I can get a ride in, so we'll just see how I'm feeling and how the miles come. I'm not really stressed about anything right now. I'm just enjoying it, so it'd be cool to walk into trail days, but if it doesn't work out, whatever. It's not a big deal. So I am going to eat dinner now, because despite not eating any of my food today, or probably because of it, I'm very hungry right now. Good day back on trail, dude.